There are neighborhoods that people move into, and then there are neighborhoods that people wait for. Old Taylor Place has quietly remained one of North Oldham's most cherished communities because it was designed differently from the very beginning. From the moment you enter 1302 Old Taylor Trail, the home welcomes you with soaring vaulted ceilings, rich hardwood flooring, striking natural stone, and an abundance of light. Completely reimagined in 2024, the kitchen balances exceptional craftsmanship with everyday functionality. Countless upgrades and custom touches have created a space that is equally beautiful and practical. The main level primary suite was designed as a true retreat with vaulted ceilings, generous windows, and an adjoining flex space. The spa-inspired ensuite bath feels quietly luxurious. The walkout lower level continues the home's thoughtful design with an expansive recreation room along with 3 additional bedrooms plus a bonus room and 2 additional baths. Old Taylor Place is a community like no other, with its 1-acre home sites, winding roads, peaceful common green spaces, a neighborhood pavilion and park, a catch-and-release fishing pond, and an equestrian spirit, complete with a community horse barn and paddocks. With horses grazing nearby at the area's iconic Hermitage Farm, the landmark gazebo welcoming you, coming home to Old Taylor Place feels like a deep exhale.